Hi guys, my name is Brink from Pyrotec and I'm going to be showing you how to change a cartridge on the Anser X1. So this is your Anser cartridge. You're going to remove the cap and you're going to insert it into the printhead without dragging it across the pins that you see here. And this is how you're going to do it. Above the pins you're going to push the cartridge in and then just gently go down. Once you feel that it's inserted correctly, you can close it down with the latch. I'm going to show you how to clean a Anser cartridge. These are the wipes that you buy from us in order to clean it. There are illustrated instructions on them. So you're going to open up the packet. Pull down the wipe, put it down on the soft pad that you get when you buy a box. You're going to remove the cap from the cartridge and basically pull down in a straight line. So basically you're going to run your cartridge down on your printed wipe, and that is basically what you want to achieve, is two straight lines that is indicating that there are no breaks in the nozzles, as you can see.